Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create a line sardine goal looks. So let's started. At first, open your docs file. Firstly, now we're going to the insert menu option and click for the start option and click for the line option. Then show the is line chart. Then click for the line link set option and click for the open source option. Now show the is line chart is a line, and then show the team 1, team 2, team 3 and team 4. Now for click is January, for February, March, April. Now click for the period on market price. Now period 2 is online price. Now D4 is shop price. Then click for the line chart and click for the 3 dot option. Now click for the 8 chart option. Now click for the set option and click for the add series option. Click for the shop option. Is that? Then click for the customize option. Then click for the chart style option and click for the background color option. Then choose background color and font color is white and border color is from choose color. Now click for the annotate document option and click for the update option. That's okay. Then show the create line chart in Google Docs. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.